Where am I? Who am I? I appear to be on Mars. I have wheels, a computer for a brain, and a battery. If I had to guess, I would say that I'm a rover. What's the blinking thing in the corner? I should probably activate it. I need to relearn the basics. I remember this is my internal interface to my programming. Maybe if I drag a block over, something will happen. I remember now, there's my helicam. I should get it reactivated, so that I can take a look around. Whoa, what of you? It's a good thing I'm not afraid of heights. I can display an overlay that will help me navigate. Ah, that's better. Now I can see where I can drive. I can connect blocks to make a program, and then run it. I see a spare battery up ahead. Why don't I go and get it? Connecting blocks is fundamental to making programs. A program is a sequence of blocks. I seem to be headed into a dead end. I've done a lot of going forward. Maybe I should see if I can turn around. I didn't make it. I need to rethink my program. Maybe I should step through the program. That did it. I can set the direction of the turn by clicking left or right on the block. Now that I've got this spare battery, I need to go back to the ramp to get it charged up, but I don't have enough RAM to do that with forward blocks. I can use a loop block to repeat blocks. Doing this saves me time and RAM. I can specify the number of times it repeats by putting a number block in it. Phew, made it back to the ramp. I need to remember to watch my power level. Turning doesn't take any power, but moving forward on this rough terrain drains my battery. Okay, now I can move around. It's time to go pick up that radio module out there. Then I can call home and find out who is going to rescue me. I can move my helicam around using the arrow keys or the right mouse button.
Wow, you made it. This is PAL-10K, your super advanced AI mission controller. Here is your status. You are a new kind of self-learning rover that we sent to Mars to prepare a base for the human explorers, who are nearing Mars orbit. A comet fragment hit your ship during re-entry and all your equipment has been scattered over the planet's surface. That's problem number 1. Problem number 2. We have lost contact with the humans. The good news is you can restore contact with them from your end with the help of your mini rover. Which brings us to problem number 3. Your mini rover has wandered off and we need you to find it. My satellite view shows that the mini rover's tracks are right next to you. The first thing that you will need to do is to plot a course to match its tracks. I've beamed a software update which includes a graphing tool and makes your engines more efficient, but takes some of your available RAM.
This grid will help me work things out, but I need some way to make a graph appear. I recall it has something to do with my Blockly programming. Now I need to plot a graph. I recall it starts with the Y block. The red and blue lines look like my axes, so the green line must be the line I'm plotting.
Now you have your first graph plotted, why don't you try changing it? We see the track of your lost mini rover from our satellite view. Can you match it?
I'm not quite sure what to do. Time to get scientific. I should experiment by doing different things to X and take note about what happens.
Now you are on the right track. This graph is going to help you overcome your next challenge. Find the slope of the line, and use that to make a navigation program that will follow that track. Let's start by moving to that blinking tile just to your left.
If I know the slope, I can use that to determine my course. Okay, so now I know I need to go up 1 and over 2 to get to the next point on the line.
You don't want to keep having to do this all the way up the line. Remember, you can repeat this small movement program and save yourself some work. Try repeating it 3 times to start.
Loop blocks repeat actions and save RAM. I remember I use loops to get out of the crash site. I swear I feel dizzy, but I can't be. I'm a robot. If I open the programming window while I move, I can watch the program execute to see where the mistake is. I need to face the same direction at the beginning and end of the loop. Otherwise, it will take me in a different direction each time it starts. That will save some time and memory. But I think I'm forgetting something.
Yes, you are. You need to check if you can actually see the mini rover. For this you will need 2 new blocks, the conditional loop block and the scan block. The conditional loop will repeat programs until something happens. The scan block detects nearby objects.
Try using the scan block to detect the mini rover. What's up with all this turning? They can send the rover to Mars, but I can't drive in reverse and can only make right angle turns. Hopefully it's just damage from the crash.
Looks like you're headed into the Cartesian plane, so named because it's big, wide, and flat.
left some supplies and changed direction. I'll need to update my grapher to match its new course. That works. Course plotted. Now to update my movement program to match the new slope of the line. This one is tricky. I may need to do some of the work before I enter my loop. Some more dropped supplies, and the mini rover has changed direction again. I wonder why it is driving so erratically. Time to plot a course to match the tracks.
Our satellite data shows that you are getting close. Keep it up.
I didn't make it. I need to rethink my program. My mini rover found you at last, little buddy.